how to get Starpets discount promo codes. Now, if you're going to be using your laptop PC or maybe your mobile phone, the process is going to be the same. So before you head directly to the application or through starpets.com, then you will have to create another tab from your preferred web browser. Now, we will be visiting a certain site that's going to be called WeThrift.com. Now, this website right here is providing us discount codes for Star Pets that's going to be for free. Now, locate the search bar and then just simply type in Star Pets. Now, hit on enter and then you will be given out a bunch of options on available codes that we can use as of 2025. So before you go back to Starpets, you just have to copy this unique code and then just use it on Starpets. So that's where you can find the best discount codes on Starpets.